Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download and run the SWAN model simulating waves nearshore step by step. First, open your browser and go to swanmodel.source4g.io. On the home page, look at the right hand side and click on Downloads. On the Downloads page, select Precompiled Package. Here, choose the version of SWAN that matches your operating system. For macOS user, choose macOS ARM64 if you are using Apple Silicon M1, M2 or etc. and choose macOS AMD64 if you are using an Intel processor. For Windows user, just choose Windows 10 or 11 AMD64. Please download the appropriate file. Once the download is complete, unzip the file. Inside, you'll see several folders. The files we need are located in the bin folder, specifically SWAN run and swan.exe files. Next, we need a test case to run SWAN. Go back to Downloads page, scroll down and select Test Cases. There are several options available. In this example, I will download the refraction test. Unzip the refraction test file. Then copy the files SWAN run and swan.exe from the bin folder into the refraction test folder. Now open your terminal and type the following command: /swan run -input er11refr. Here the er11refr is the name of the input file. Press enter. If you are using macOS, you may see a security warning. Click Done, then go to Setting, Privacy and Security, scroll down, click Allow Anyway. After that, run the command again. This time, choose Open Anyway. And now, the SWAN wave model will start running successfully. That's it. You have successfully downloaded and run the SWAN model using a test case. In the next video, I'll show you how to set up and run SWAN on Windows, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching and see you on the next tutorial.